The Upgrade Select card is built for people with fair to average credit who want more control over paying off purchases. Instead of letting balances linger with just minimum payments like a traditional card, every purchase you don't pay off immediately gets converted into a fixed rate installment plan, typically lasting 24 to 84 months. This setup makes it clear exactly how much you owe each month and when it will be paid off, which can be a lifeline for those trying to escape the cycle of revolving debt. Prequalification won't hit your credit score, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus, which can help rebuild your credit if payments are made on time. There's also a potential $200 bonus for pairing it with an Upgrade Rewards checking preferred account and making 3 debit transactions. On the downside, the card comes with a $39 annual fee spread out in monthly installments. This may not seem huge, but plenty of competitors in this space don't charge one at all. The biggest catch is the lack of a grace period. Interest begins as soon as a purchase posts unless you meet the early pay deadline, so even those who think they're paying in full could still get hit with interest. The APR is also steep, ranging from 21.96% to 29.99%, making it costly if large balances stick around. And with no standard rewards program, outside of merchant-specific offers, there's little incentive for everyday spending unless your main goal is structured repayment. In short, the Upgrade Select card works best for those who need strict repayment discipline and want to actively chip away at their debt while building credit. For everyday spenders who already pay in full and avoid interest, the annual fee, high APR, and lack of grace period make it less appealing. Without careful use, the very features that make it a budgeting tool can also turn it into an expensive choice.